Hi everyone, this is Alex. I'm going to show you how to fix the Facetime connection drop failed problem. In my case, this is caused by the BT home hub. So basically, if you have a BT hub, or you just got the new BT broadband, you might experiencing the same problem with mine. So of course, if you have a different broadband, they might have a similar problem. I hope this video can help you. Before I show you how to change the setting on your router, we have to consider to reset your iPhone or iPad network setting, but this procedure might not necessary, but I just show you how to do it just in case after change the setting on the router is not enough. So after changing the router setting in this tutorial, if it doesn't work for you, you might need to go for your iPhone or iPad settings, then general, reset, then you can find the reset network settings, then reset the network setting. But beware, this reset will erase all your Wi-Fi network, include your friends. I mean, when you've been to somewhere, for example, your friend's home, or your relative's home, or your office Wi-Fi, if you erase all of them, yeah. So if the BT router setting changed, if it's working, you can leave this one. This one is it might not be necessary to do so, you know. So this is the just in case I'll show you first. All right. So basically, you need to access your BT hub or your router first. So BT hub, the default IP address, you can type it in Google Chrome or any other browser, Firefox or Opera, or if you access it from Mac or mobile devices, it can be a different browser, Safari or any browser. So the IP address is 192.168.1.254. Then press enter. Then if you ask you the password, it should be on your router. On the back of the router, you can find the password, admin password. Then you can type the admin password, then you can log in. So once you log into the BT Smart Hub, this is BT Smart Hub 6. So basically, you can go to Wi-Fi, wireless, yeah. Because I have another Wi-Fi, so I'll turn this one off. Yours should look like this, right? So the problem caused by this, there are two bands for the Wi-Fi. So the problem, it can be fixed if you turn off 5 GHz. That's what I did on mine. Then the FaceTime working straight away. So to turn the 5 GHz off is very simple. Scroll down. Yeah. Then you can the first you have to set separate the band. Yeah. Then you can find so this column is 2.4 and this column is 5 gigahertz. Yeah. So you need turn this side off. So this button is here. Slide to this side. Then the 5 gigahertz is off now. And you have to click on save. Yeah, once it's saved, you need wait for a minute. Then go to your router and turn it off. And after a few minutes, turn back your router on and make sure your iPad or your iPhone connected to your BT router, the 2.4 gigahertz one. Then your FaceTime should be back to working. The other router, they are similar. So basically you need find the IP address of your router. Then of course you need the login detail. It should be hidden somewhere around the router. Yeah. Then once you log in, you can find the Wi-Fi setting. If you have 2 bands for wireless, you can turn off 1. Basically, I think the 5 gigahertz, in my experience, they never works very well. So it's better to turn off the 5 gigahertz. Of course, you can try leave the 5 gigahertz on and turn off the 2.4 gigahertz. If it's working, then you can use 5 gigahertz. But the problem is not every mobile phone or laptop or the mobile devices support 5 gigahertz. So it's better to leave the 2.5 gigahertz on instead of 5. So you can only leave 1 on. Yeah, of course this problem it can be fixed by BT, but we don't know when they will fix this problem by upgrading their firmware. So I hope this can fix your FaceTime problem. And if you like my video, please subscribe it. So have a very good day and talk to you next time. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.